Thank you for choosing the Elna Press Opal. Let us show you how we have redefined the concept of ironing by making it quick and easy. Before using your Elna Press for the first time, please read the user's manual carefully and follow the important safety instructions. The manual also contains maintenance information so you can get the most out of your Elna Press. Let's begin by placing your Elna Press in its open position. To turn it on, simply press the plus key. The green LED light will illuminate, and the red light in the upper right corner will go on, indicating that the Elna Press is in the process of heating. Use the plus/minus keys to move from one temperature to another. When the selected temperature has been reached, the red light will go off and the green light will remain on to display the temperature selection. When moving from a high temperature to a lower one, the green light will begin to blink. This shows that the machine is in the process of cooling. Once the correct temperature has been reached, the green light will stop blinking. To turn off your Elna Press, press the minus key until the green LED light disappears completely. If you leave your Elna Press on and in its open position without using it for more than 15 minutes, it will automatically turn itself off. When opening and closing the Elna Press, always use both hands. With your left hand, use the fixed handle to lower the heating shoe. With your right hand, lower the movable handle to apply pressure. To open again, raise the movable handle, and with your left hand, gently raise the heating shoe to open the press. To create steam with your Elna Press, we have designed the Vapojet. The Vapojet slides on and off the fixed handle and can be filled with regular tap water. Do not use starch or perfumed water, since these may clog the nozzles. Fill the Vapojet about 3/4 full. Replace it on the fixed handle and squirt a few times to get the water flowing. Below the main ironing board, you will find an integrated sleeve board that simply pivots into place. This extra board is excellent for difficult-to-reach areas and children's clothing. Let's begin by folding a tablecloth 2 or 3 times lengthwise. Place the tablecloth on the ironing board and stack like this. Then move it to the back of the Elna Press and press by pulling it toward you. Follow this procedure for most large flat items. To press a shirt, begin with the yoke. Pivot the sleeve board into place and arrange the shoulders around it. Let the collar hang off the edge. Press. To press the cuffs, place the cuffs around each side of the sleeve board and press. Pivot around to press the whole cuff. For the sleeves, place the armhole on the ironing board, following the curved shape of the ironing board. Press. Now, put the sleeves together and fold the shirt in half. Place it at the back of the ironing board like this. Bring the shirt front with the buttons forward first. Press. Keep pulling the shirt forward until you have worked the whole way around. When using the Elna Press, keep in mind 2 golden rules. 1. Always work from back to front. And 2. Prepare items you wish to press directly on the ironing board moving hands horizontally, not up and down. Press the shirt tail in one operation. And press the collar last. To press a pair of trousers, begin with a waistband. Use the cushion to move around the waistband and to fan out the shape. To reach the pockets, raise the sleeve board and slide the pocket onto the board. Press. Place the crotch area over the side of the board. It is good to press this area separately, since it gets easily creased. The leg of the slacks can be placed over the board following the natural crease in the fabric. Press. To press the hems, place them both on the ironing board and apply mini pressure by lowering the movable handle only about halfway. Denim or jeans can be pressed in the same way. To press jeans without a crease, place the leg flat on the board and press. The Elna press is perfect for soft cotton items, such as a t-shirt. The Elna press does not push the fabric along like a traditional hand iron, creating unwanted wrinkles. Let's move on to using the Elna press to touch up garments. Look how easy it is with a pleated skirt. If necessary, you can also pin pleats in place using small metal head pins. Do not use pins with plastic heads. Use the sleeve board to press sleeves without a crease. Fold the sleeve on the seam line and place the seam line flat on the board. Allow the top edge of the sleeve to hang off the edge of the board. Touch up blazers, sports jackets, using the same technique as a shirt. You may wish to use mini pressure, allowing the heat to smooth out areas that are only lightly creased. Press lapels in one of two ways. Place the lapel on the edge of the main board and press. Alternatively, use the sleeve board and press. We have already shown you some uses for the sleeve board, but now we would like to show you a few others. Use the sleeve board to iron children's clothing. For example, flounces on little girls' dresses, tiny tops with or without gathers. Ties on aprons can be placed on the sleeve board and pressed, or pulled through like this. To iron short legs, rotate them around the sleeve board. Tops that do not have a full front opening can be pressed by sliding the opening over the sleeve board. Tops without a full front opening can also be pressed using the cushion. You can also attach the cushion to the sleeve board to press delicate items with or without gathers. Items such as these may only require mini pressure. Other difficult-to-reach areas can be wrapped over the cushion and moved across the heating shoe directly. Now, let's show you how to use your Elna press to iron special fabrics. For velvet, press on the wrong side of the fabric using mini pressure. This will avoid crushing the pile. Delicate sweater knits or thick wool can be placed normally on the ironing board and pressed using mini pressure. Embroidered items should be placed face down on the ironing board. Press using full pressure. The Elna press will not flatten the embroidery. Items with elastic, such as a pair of pajama bottoms, can be placed around the edge of the ironing board. Pull flat, press. You can also use your Elna press for special applications and hot iron transfers. Be sure to see the manufacturer's instructions for fusing time. When you have finished pressing, turn off your Elna press. Close and open the heating shoe a few times, like this, to remove moisture. Remove the Vapojet and empty the water. Leave the Elna press open to cool, and then store. To keep your Elna press in good condition, clean the heating shoe regularly. Also, be sure to check the quality of the cloth covers and foam padding and replace when worn. The quality of your ironing is highly dependent on the condition of the foam padding. The instruction manual contains more specific information on how to care for your cloth covers, the foam padding, and the heating shoe. Please reference the maintenance section of your instruction manual. You can also reference your instruction manual for more detailed pressing instructions. We hope you have found this video helpful. As you begin using your Elna press more and more, you will see how truly versatile and easy it is to use.